The main reason mail gets returned is because it is missing either forwarding or secondary information. If the addressee no longer resides at the address, and without forwarding information, the mail will most likely be returned. If it's missing or has invalid secondary information, such as apartment, suite number, or floor number, it might be returned. If the postal worker arrives at a large building with no apartment number, they won't know where to go. Unfortunately, you'll have to pay for postage again on all returned deliveries. If it's a package, that can be pricey. Just make sure to check the address before you go and send your triple-N sweater off to Nanna for repairs. Okay? Don't worry, it's super easy. Just go to smarty.com or click the link in the description. At the top, hover over Resources and then under Demos, select Single Address Verification. Behold, the very easy-to-use single address validation tool. You can check any address anywhere in the world. If you want to check one outside of the United States, be sure to select International. I'll do a US address for my example. Under Lookup Type, specify if you're going to use components: address, city, state, and zip code, or freeform. For this example, I'm going full-on freeform. Start entering the address and check it out. The address tool will begin to autocomplete the address for you. You don't even have to type the whole thing if you don't wanna. Once you select View Results, you'll see the validated and, in some cases, corrected address. And that's how you prevent your mail from getting returned to sender. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. I'll see you later though, right?